Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn colors and shapes. Let's learn some colors. Black color, brown color, pink color, red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, sky blue color, blue color, purple color, heart, 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 pentagon, 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 triangle. This is a triangle. Square, square shape, square, star, 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 circle. This is a circle. Circle. Let's revise. Heart, pentagon, triangle, square, star, circle. Brown color. Heart. Brown color. Pink color. Heart. Pentagon. Blue color. Blue color. Red color. Pentagon. Red color. Sky blue color. Triangle. Sky blue color. Sea green color. Triangle. Sea green color. Purple color. Square. Purple color. Square. Yellow color. Square. Yellow color. Light green color. Star. Light green color. Star. Orange color. Circle. Orange color. Violet color. Circle. Violet color. Let's revise. Heart, pentagon, triangle, square, star, circle. Kids, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.